I'm hoping to get some work done today, mainly fixing this, which means I gotta do some welding right there. I have to get this car in the garage over there, which is the first thing I have to do. I have to start cleaning it up because it's a mess, as you can clearly see. And I need something to store my stuff, so right now I'm gonna go out and buy that, because it's sort of, yeah, it's all over the place. Hey Toby. As you can clearly see, this is a 2-car garage, and right now you could fit one. So everything's out of control. I got some space over here, but yeah, let's go buy something. I had to borrow the van, and this sucks. Acceleration is bad, braking is horrible, and well, I don't like it, but I needed it. What I want to buy doesn't fit in the FRS, let alone the MR2, so here we are. It feels really weird because it's quiet. You don't hear anything. Now you see why I wanted it? Whatever?
Goes over your camera.
And it fell. Go.
I'm sick. I have the cold.
Okay, so this is here. Let's go. This way.
Oh, that way.
Oh, I saw it yesterday and I love it. Except for the price. Damn. Even the handle. Hit me right in the leg. All right, let's get it. Alright, so here we are. I want to weld this part of the trunk because it's lifted right there, and this is basically what I bought. It's the only one they had left. Whoops. It's the only one they had left, and it was a display model, so it's got a few scratches, but I got a little discount, so it's fine. I also got this one right here. That was actually cheaper, and here's the total of what I paid. $185, almost $186. So let me get my welder and we'll start welding. Sorry about the lighting, I can't do anything about it right now. I'm actually going to put my jacket here, my welding jacket, hopefully just enough to cover that and nothing catches fire. Alright, let's see how it goes. Covered up everything as best I could. Okay, gonna have to lower it just a little bit. I hate this welding helmet. It doesn't fit me. Damn it, I'm just going right through the metal. That's it, I can't turn it any lower. And it just slid off, damn it. Take a look, it's just going right through. Well, this sucks. It is literally on its lowest settings and it's just going through. So you can see where it sort of wants to. You can only do it for like a couple seconds. It's too thin. I got this holding it together. And this helmet, this welding helmet, slides off. I had to wear a beanie for that reason. But right now, the helmet's not bad though. I gotta give it to it. It's doing its job for 20 bucks. So I'm just gonna keep going little by little. I don't have a choice. Warning, what you're about to see is not for the faint of heart. Yeah, that's what it looks like. The welder's on its lowest setting and it just keeps melting through. I had no choice but to stack welds on top of welds. I don't know if it actually worked. This is the first time I'm using this welder. It's the first time I'm using a flux. I did have a stick welder, but it's different. It's not the same. There's a learning curve. I did change the car a little bit. I moved it. Well, here comes a moment of truth. The only thing that matters is that this is actually straight. So, I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. Then I'll try to close it. Hopefully it works. I took the ratchet strap off, and now it's the moment of truth to see if it actually closes, because that might stick out a little too much, and if it actually lines up right here. So hopefully it doesn't bend. Close, but not perfect. Okay, It's better. It's definitely better. But I'm pretty sure I can heat that up with propane and knock it down. The problem is I used a retro strap in the middle when I should have been using it back here because I didn't want it to catch fire. Alright, so that's what happened. At least it's not as noticeable as it used to be. Okay, so I'm going to pull this car out. No, I'm just going to leave it here for now and actually start working on this. I have to put that together. Boom. I'll put you right there. Nice. Got the keys. The Husky logo. Feels nice. Where's the pegboard? Huh. You can't see that clearly, but I finished assembling it, and then when I try to move this one, I found out that the only argument I had against it, it's invalid. The only problem I had was it didn't have casters, and then I opened the drawer. Yeah, this is the only problem I had, and they're all in here. So I'm going to put them on right now and see you in a bit. Well, here they are. Those are bigger than those, but it's actually a lot closer than I thought, and I didn't even know about it. I found the keys. I thought it didn't come with it. Turns out they were in the drawer on the bottom one. This one has its keys, and I'm gonna be comparing them because they're very, very similar for a big price difference. So wait for that video. I'm done with the MR2. The sun's going down, so I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna start cleaning the garage, except for the boxes, of course. So I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow. Because this, she might end up getting something. See you tomorrow.